Hello everyone, welcome to another video lecture of Mathematics Solution channel. In this video lecture, we are going to solve the problem which is based on indeterminate form, right? So the basics and introduction about the indeterminate form which we discussed in the previous video, and the link is given in the description, you can check it out, right? The first problem I have taken is limit x tends to 0 tan x minus x divided by x square into tan x. So this is the problem we want to solve here, right? So given, what is given here, let us take some k is equal to limit x tends to 0 tan x minus x divided by x square times tan x, correct? Now immediately we want to apply the limit. If you substitute limit, what will happen? X tends to 0, tan 0 will become 0 and this will become 0, and any denominator will become 0 by 0 form. So we want to bring it to the a by b form, or we can call it as a fractional form, right? So a by b. So we got it here. And one more thing, and we know already some basic results, right? Any function or anything, limit x tends to 0, x by tan x or tan x by x, limit x tends to 0, that will give 1. So according to that, in the denominator I have tan x. Suppose if x is in the numerator, then I can take it out x by tan x separately, and it is enough to find the rest of the values. So how to do that, so I will multiply and divide x here, so that will give limit x tends to 0 x divided by x into, so this value that will give tan x minus x divided by x square times tan x. Now already we know this x and tan x will give 1, so I can rewrite here is limit x tends to 0 x by tan x and into limit x tends to 0, the rest of the value that will give tan x minus x divided by x times into x square, that will give x cube. Now already we know x by tan x will give 1, so this value will give 1, so 1 into this value, so it is enough to find only for this value. Now which is equal to limit x tends to 0, here is tan x minus x divided by x power 3. Now again substitute the limit, what happen? So tan 0 will become 0, and again here is 0 divided by 0. Now again 0 by 0 form, this is also indeterminate form. Now we can apply the L'Hospital rule, correct? Now applying L'Hospital rule, then what happen? So that will give k is equal to limit x tends to 0. What L'Hospital rule says that if we have the fractional form like a by b or 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, 0 by infinity, anything, right? Then we can differentiate the numerator and denominator independently, right? Numerator and denominator separately we can do the differentiation. According to that, tan theta will become secant square theta. So here is theta as x, so we can write secant square x minus x with respect to x will give 1, and divide by x power 3 will become 3x square. And now we want to substitute the limit. If you substitute that, secant 0 will become 1, so 1 minus 1 will become 0, denominator also will become 0, so you will get 0 by 0 form. Again we want to apply the limit, right? L'Hospital rule. And the thing is, already we know the formula which involves in tan theta and secant theta, right? That is secant square theta minus tan square theta will give 1. So using that formula, what I will do here, so the formula is secant square theta minus tan square theta will give 1. So using that formula, already I have secant square x minus 1, so bring this 1 here, and tan square theta bring it to the another side, right hand side, so this term will become tan square theta. So we can write it as k is equal to limit x tends to 0 secant square theta minus 1 or secant square x minus 1. According to this formula, we can write tan square x divided by, already we have 3x square. Now we know 1 by 3 is constant, we can take it out right now. So 1 by 3 limit x tends to 0, and here I can write it as tan x divided by x, that whole square. From the known results, we can write tan x by x will give 1, right? So according to that, we can write 1 by 3 into 1, that will give 1 by 3. So this is the k value. So we got limit x tends to 0, tan x minus x divided by x square times tan x is equal to 1 by 3. By using L'Hospital rule, we got it. And thanks for watching.